Have you ever learned any musical instrument? Maybe when you were in school or college. Don't you feel like playing music again but need a little brush up? Well, now you can relive those musical memories and start playing your favorite song using Casio keyboard's smart learning application Cordano Play. Follow these 3 simple steps to begin. Step 1. Simply download the Casio Cordano Play application from Play Store or the App Store and connect the keyboard with your phone. Step 2. Download a MIDI file of your favorite song and open it in the app. Step 3. The music would now display as a piano roll for you to begin. Just follow the notes being shown on the screen. You can control the learning as per your convenience. Start with one hand. Learn with both hands. Is the song too fast for you? Just slow it down using the tempo controller. Select a small part or full song as per your convenience. The inbuilt scoring system helps you track your learning and shows how well have you played. Learning music was never this easy. Restart your musical journey today with Casio and Cordano Play.